Hello everybody and welcome back to my little scrapping area. Well, and spray painting area as well, I suppose. I haven't had a chance to do another car, busy. But I finished work a little bit earlier today. We're going to talk about scrapping something a little different to your usual bits and bobs. As you can see, I've still got loads of cans I need to crush. In fact, let me show you just how many cans I have got to crush. There's a bag full. There's a bag. There's a bag. That black bin liner is full. Yeah, and that little white one there is also full. Lots of cans to crush. But in my recent hunt for a new scrapyard, I have found a yard that takes steel, it takes brass, it takes copper, all the usual stuff. But I was reading the Facebook page, and they also take household batteries and prawn cocktail crisps. Now, household batteries. This is just a box my mate gave me. He said, "Oh bloody hell, I've got loads of them at work for recycling." I said, "Well, I'll have them." So you got AA, you got AAA, you got these big ones, and then I had a thought. Disposable vapes. These have a little lithium-ion battery in them, and when they're done, they are actually rechargeable. But obviously, you can't let people just throw these away, so everybody keeps these now. So they're only held together with friction. Top comes off. My mate did show me how he gets these off. I've never actually taken one apart before, but it's a learning process. It's being used, and that should just there we go. It just pops off, and then so in there, those wires are attached to this little LED light. When you take a draw on it, it lights up. So when the battery's low, it flashes to tell you it's done. I mean, it's also attached to the tank. There's a little element in there which will heat up to give you the vapor. If we just snippy snip, snippity snip, and there's another battery. I got those, and I know somebody who goes through a lot of these, so that sounds metal as well. Ho ho ho! Hold the phone. Let's have. What do we reckon? I'm not sure. It's not magnetic. Seems to. I think probably aluminium. Hey, it's another bit of aluminium I didn't have before. Bosher. So these. The last time, obviously the arse has fallen out of the scrap market recently. But the last time they posted about taking household batteries, they were paying £400 a tonne. So, excuse me, £400 a tonne, which is 40p a kilo. Is that right? 4p a kilo? And what? Maths. I don't do maths. Yeah, I've just done the maths. I had to use a calculator, would you believe, to divide 400 by 1,000. It's been a long week, what can I say? So it makes it 40p a kilo. And I've already tried weighing this on the kitchen scales and it overloads, so there's at least 5k there. So, as far as I'm concerned, whichever little helps. There might be another video at the weekend. I possibly might have a big pickup of old IT stuff. Don't know what is there, what's not there. I've just been told to come and have a look. So if I get a chance, if I finish work on time tomorrow, I'll go around and have a look. But yeah, keep your batteries. See if you'll find some. Keep these. Bit of aluminium and a battery. And before you know it, you've got pushing. I reckon it's pushing 10k there. It's very heavy. And there's what? There's £4. Just for your old batteries. It's alright a bit.